Holy sh! Oh sh! Oh my f. Holy sh! Come on, come on, come on. F this. Willie! You okay? Willie, I'm coming down! I'm coming down, Willie! Hey, call 911! Call 911!
Stop moving!
Willie! Willie, stop moving! Willie! Willie! Stop moving! Stop moving! Hey buddy, just don't move, okay? Don't move your head, don't move your head. You okay?
Yeah.
Look at me, okay?
Okay.
You good? Do you feel anything broken?
I don't know.
Just don't move, okay? What do you remember? What happened?
My back tire like slipped,
Uh-huh.
and it made me slide forward. And then I couldn't control the bike, so it went forward.
Okay.
Ooh, my left arm hurts a lot.
Yeah, it's probably broken, dude. So don't move your left arm. We're not gonna even try to get up there, cause yeah, just don't move it. How's your legs though? How you feeling your legs?
They're good. I can feel
They're good?
it.
Okay. Can you like move your ankles around?
Yeah.
Yeah, just take it slow.
Ooh, my arm's starting to hurt a lot more.
Yeah, it's broken. It's probably broken, dude. Cause I saw you flip twice. Did you feel that, or you don't remember?
I don't remember.
You flipped twice in the air like a rag doll.
Uh-oh. Oh, come on, adrenaline, come back.
Yeah, don't move. No, you're done. You're out of it now.
Yeah.
No, just sit tight.
Alright. Yeah, don't even go. I'm not even gonna go. I'm probably as far as I'm gonna go. Okay. Hey,
Yes.
don't move.
Okay.
They're gonna throw a bunch of ropes down, and they're gonna get you guys out by rope.
Hey, does that go from right there? Is it a vertical drop off?
No,
Waterfall?
no, it's the same degree.
Same degree, okay. County Battalion 4, Captain 15. Just making my way down to the basement right now. He is probably 50 feet straight down from that ravine.
Battalion 4 copy. This is going to be the Brown incident. I'm going to see if Verify can do a pick-off.
Yeah, we have a little bit of canopy that's going to be in the way for a clean pick on them. Other than that, I think that they might be able to pull it off. How you doing, bud?
I'm doing pretty good. My
Hey.
arm's starting to hurt. My left arm, though.
Okay, we're getting to Dave. It's pretty soft, man. It's easy. It's easy tracking.
All right.
If you lose it through here, I'll catch you.
All right.
So can you do me a favor? Make sure that we don't kick any large debris on them as
Yeah.
they come in.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. It's starting to hurt a lot.
Copy. Okay, good.
This one I'm gonna hold on to.
Okay, hang on to that. All right. Sorry that took so long, Bill. What's your name?
Willie.
Willie.
Yes, sir.
Man, you are a lucky man, Willie.
Oh, yeah, man.
I know it may not feel that way right now.
Yeah.
Hey, so
All right. So you weren't involved with the accident, right?
No, I just came down here to make sure he's okay.
were you? Can I have you climb through here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna climb through.
Do you remember the accident where you knocked out?
I got you, bud. Hey, thanks for doing that.
Oh man, just want to make sure he's
Be real careful walking up. You see where we cracked up, right?
Yeah.
All
right, Willie.
If you can hang right up there.
Okay.
Yes, we got a helicopter coming in that you're probably not going to want to be around.